What if I told you there is still an actually meta that lets me get 3 Bitcoin every single day, and barely anybody is talking about it? In this video, I'm going to test it live again and show you exactly how the whole thing works step by step, and you'll see everything with your own eyes. But first, quick note, nothing in this video is financial advice, it's all for educational and it's the same on purpose only. Alright guys, I played a lot of crypto games, and as you can see, most of the time it's a pure random. But what if I told you that I found a tool that actually removes a huge part of that randomness? So today, I'm testing it live, and this tool actually is called Apex. So stick around guys, because I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to get free Bitcoin, and instead of just talking, let's jump straight into it. And I already made some quick settings here, and now I simply gonna copy what I see on the screen and repeating it in the game. So let me just go back to the game. Right now I'm gonna just made a small preparation here, so I need to just change the settings. Alright, and now the most interesting part guys, I just need to check the location. It's so the 5 over there and the 2 on the bottom. So I literally guys gonna copy the same position what I see, so the first, second, third, and alright. And now the other two is on the bottom part, so here and there, and I'm gonna check. Alright guys, look at that. This is how it reacts guys. As you can see for yourself, that's already feels completely different. And now for the really exciting part, I'm gonna send everything back and show you the main feature in real time. So watch how simple this is. And all I need just to go to my account, and there I need just to grab my information. So literally gonna go there. Alright, I'm gonna copy this one. Okay, and just now head back to the game and just paste it right over there in this field and press confirm. Alright, and it's already processing guys. Notification just came in. Yes, that's looking good guys. And I will leave the name of this tool somewhere on the screen in a second, so you can find it easily. You can pause the video if you need it and check it out by its name. And now let's go back and see what happens. And I'm not wasting any time here because I'm really curious how fast this reacts this time. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh the page one more time. Usually it responds real fast, and yeah, look at that guys, everything came through perfectly guys. This tool is seriously one of the best I've tested lately guys. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, a lot of you have been asking me how it works. So yeah, as you can see that is how it works. So let me show you the pool setup process right now step by step, because this tool is pretty new guys, and it's actually pretty unique. So let me just finish this session right over there. Okay, just wait a few seconds here. So this tool is pretty unique and pretty new guys. There is a lot of functionality, different games, different platforms, so everyone can find something interesting for there. And there is also promo code section, so I'll try to leave a promo code in a pinned comment for you, so check it out below this video. And there I can enter it right there, and it gives me some nice started bonuses. And then the process becomes super straightforward. So I pick the game what I want, and let me just reopen it again. So I'm gonna continue. Okay, right here. And here guys, I select the mode. So in this video I'm using this one on the right, so there is a different mode, so you can check it out for yourself. So I'm gonna use this one. Alright, and the next process is just simply straightforward. So all I need to grab the information from the game and just put it in the correct fields right over there. So the first is done, and I'll do the same process with the second one. So I literally gonna copy the information from the game, going back to the app, and just drop it right over there. So the second is also done, and the third I just need to enter my number. Alright, the login is started. That means the system is checking and connecting to the game account, and as you can see there are small requirements what I already done before. And now the loading once again, yeah, showing everything connect perfectly guys. So wait a few seconds here more, and yeah, look at that, everything is set up. Let me do a quick double check one more time. Yeah, it's all working perfectly. So guys, yeah, this tool is actually crazy easy to set up. This is exactly what I've been telling you about. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, drop a comment below, and tell me if you want me to test more tools like this. and I'll catch you in another one.